Una see our sister. When I first see this thing, I can't say whether na prank. You know, say na prank now. Now I make you laugh. You be bad person. Say, Mama, she go still go back when she go there, okay. Na so. Now person do, but we not say we don't receive woto like this. But I will not talk up behind ball. You know, say if I talk now, people will say this yeah woman don't start again. Okay, I don't see many like this. Look at this lady, fine, beautiful young lady like this. If they say me they even talk and one self, this girl not supposed to day school. You're not supposed to they non speaking now. You're not supposed to they non speaking at this time. This is a very young, beautiful lady. When man want condemn so. This men they are too selfish. Instead of they to just leave you, may you go. They will say they want blind one of your eye. They want remove one. We not say after this eye finish now you go. Only waiting with they pray. May this eye, may you not lost the eyeball. I'm not sure say she go lost the eyeball because this is very bad. This is barbaric. I know say some of those men that they stab their wife to death, that they give them poison drink, that they kill them, when they see many. How can he go this to his wife? Too bad. Yes. Yeah? Okay. I listened to the video. Good evening, my personal person. How you dey, Joy? I listened to the video. This guy say the man come with his friends that they drink. He can't tell this boy say, una today, una noise too much. To know a responsible man, when he be say, he get pikin for house. You not supposed to they pack drunk cars. They come your house. You know say we won't be comfortable single mother. If we decide say we want to stay our own, they go say husband has not the hungry us. My sister. You just be, I don't understand. Now blow it a blow, I don't know. Now something chook like if now something chook like this, maybe the eyeball for don't come out. This is ridiculous. This is bad. Not by this time. Not by this time. You know, when you have violent man inside your house, when you have babu as a husband inside your house, when you have a useless man as a husband inside your house, those are the things you'll be very careful of. Not just to marry. And one, those men, they cannot take care of few people. You will see this woman now, that man now, he can't blow his eye. Nah, he still buy drink now when this man drink. Because a responsible man, when they go fabrica, if he suffer buy drink, I don't feel use and do live video 1 year. He will suffer buy drink, arranger. If his friends come, he go suffer put for cup. He go carry the drink. He go put them for where that they put drink. You see, the chef, the bar where they put drink, will go put them for there. The responsible man, responsible fabrica man with responsible fabrica man, and then they go together. Now drink, this man can't drink so. He can't beat this our sister like this. I know say if this eyeball finish, waiting I did for this girl now. If this eyeball, people will say she go still go back. The country went there now. This guy can't be arrested. They go arrest this man because this is very bad for Europe country. This is too bad. How can you just? It's too. We don't say we don't fair experience things. Then it don't take, but not just be like this. This man now, they're supposed to give 100 years for your house. No, you will see open door come. You will see slick enter. That is the problem. Let me say sometimes we know they fit talk put for this matter again. Now who top will carry you, my person? Look at this girl. How? Okay, the people where they drink with your man that day, they don't feel separate to now. They come, they put fire. I felt talk and say, this young youth, when they enter Europe, they frustrate themselves by themselves. Those young youth, as a man, let me advise you now. Because I be advised, I know what man be. As una don't there for Europe now, una supposed to even lay foundation. If na hotel now una they build now, before 2020, but also say before 2028, 30, una don't build and finish. That one go be una icon. Now this one I be this man icon now by blowing this man, this woman on her eye. You just want to useless. I will say this girl brothers can't dead that day now. If he brothers now can't keep us in that, they'll say this girl brother, he don't kill his husband or he don't kill baby papa. Those men, they are baby papas because they are not married men. A woman go get pikin. If he born finish, the man become a useless single father around all over the globe. Go to France, they go born put for France, born for Germany, born for, I'm not sure say that they come here. They don't they too come here because this country too straight. They know they too come here. When I don't ever see katakata go from Holland enter this thing. You see this country now, you go arrange your medulla. If you know arrange that, they go help you. And this country, they are very straightforward people. Now tell like them. You cannot misbehave. Like as I go there, now one man will come my house, now come blow me. The area will come call police. Now the first of all carry the man, come on. The prison when they go put this man, now that they call him coffee prison. They call him coffee prison, coffee and latte prison. Only 1 hour when you go spend for, they will be like say the dead people, that they communicate with you. That is Holland for you. I love them. The police, they know they follow you play. Not lie. Not kata say afankulo. What that to a castle. What that to a nenemi. What that to a tester. To chola granted tester. For Holland, yeah, the police, you know, feel me. Lie, they no agree. Police, oh my God, I don't like Holland police. You know, feel mess up. They know they agree. Look at this. Now, person now, I do this one to this person. This man now, where he dead now, police leave him. Because if na Germany now, kata na Germany, now this thing they happen. France, Germany. If na Italy now, the guy when he blow this girl for head, he don't dare prison for Italy. They don't carry a waka. They don't carry a waka. They don't reach prison. Only one day when they'll just control him. In the next 30 minutes, they don't do a complete finish for Questoria. The next thing, you go land himself for inside prison. Look at what somebody do to this woman. You don't most kaput this girl face. You don't most destroy this girl eyeball. And these boys, when una they carry, they don't know how to fuck. And men when don't know how to fuck, they go see they. I want see scatter table. They'll say this woman don't start again. These men, they cannot satisfy women for bed. Say woman go release. Coolest. You say no be Germany na Italy. You know say audio why news. No what it be why war. Heartbreaking news. Now Germany for the go. I think say not Germany. Look at. And these guys when they follow, they trade this market. Those guys, they're supposed to they plan with their brain. Supposed to they know how many blocks go carry their hotel reach up. No, they can't be like baby mama. They fuck all your baby mamas. They go, and the worst part of it, all those baby mamas, I don't know how to use pill. Una mumu don't too much. Una mumu too much. How is it now they use pill? All this baby father no go full everywhere. If they come, you friend that they're no good, you go open door, push their head, come out. And now una go see carry the men enter house. Now this men go see they help una they drag una house. Now they una house. Now they go see seal una mouth. How long are you people going to die in silence? Break the silence. Most of single mother, they are suffering. You people should break that silence. Man cannot put me in blackmail this thing list. That is what they happen. Most of those women may put them in blackmail list. When you are in blackmail list with this Nigeria youth for Europe, you are gone. If you do any small thing, you go say, I'll go tell police, say you don't know how to take care of your pikin. If you do any small thing, you'll say, I want to go. They blackmail these people. That is why these women, they enjoy, break that silence. Okini me, but people say, Okini me, besunu, wasunu. You people should break it. You people should break that silence. That is why these people are taking this. This is enough. Enough. Most of the day, this thing, they blackmail them. They blackmail list. On the list, okay, if you talk, I will go tell police. If you talk, I'll go tell police. See that our sister, when they collect 3 children for her hand that day, that woman was on that blackmail list for her boyfriend hand. Till the day when that guy come to say, he don't tire for this your blackmail. Now he can't release everything to police. Now this guy can't they run per down, make they don't see the children for your hand. Before he can't go meet that crazy woman when they Belgium, when nowhere. You see it? You are welcome, my person. You see it? That woman now sees that woman, he don't born. Since then, when this something happened since last year, I still there with that woman. The woman thought say, mama, they see person like you. I say, yes. Not everybody, they leave person for road. You people should go with people that will encourage you, that will give you up. That girl, when all of the day do Facebook, this last year, she don't born. Her pikin don't even grow finish. I think pikin don't reach 6 months now. That guy passed through her. I advise that guy, say, forget about black men. Bullshit there. Look at that guy. Oh. The day when I see that guy for hospital, I can't they cry. I say, God go do one. God go do everything. Go they say, Mommy, you sure say I no go die? Mommy, you sure say I no go die? I say, you no go die. The woman, she's okay now. I tell her, say, anything black man, move, carry oyibo. They say, accusation, that woman, she's okay now. She say, Mommy, you there here. Oh, Mommy, you there with me. I say, yes. You cry, come meet me. I don't feel abandon you. She's okay now. That woman, they okay now with her child. Before you know now, the one when God may carry now, God go do and they go give her back. The woman break silence. He say, no want again. But at the end of the day, they go report to police. Now, most of those women now, those single mothers, now this thing that they go through now for inside household, people want to blackmail you. I go tell government. I go tell government. Hey, if you talk, I'll go talk government. Now they resort all those things. Because if you don't have anything to do with these people, when they mess on you, you open door, you drive them. How can you even allow man pack load come for your house? Come they stay your house? Why? Why? A lazy ass man, a man without no document, a man without no address, a man without no house, a man without no sleeping place. All those women go help una finish. Una begin to they beat them. They say Europe women no good. For Nigeria, man go marry woman for Nigeria. He go rent, even if say na one room, neither man fit afford. He go make sure say he rent that one room, he put his family for there. But not those one way they Europe. Now they pay us, now they pay light bill, now they pay water bill, now they pay town, now they pay food money. I don't fit. I don't know why. I don't fit run that package. Make that sabo apa. Need they run on the package. The package you need. Break it. Let open the bar, let the cat go out. This is now the blackmail when they keep for them. When they tell they blackmail them, I made these women that they suffer. Most of them, they are suffering. Thank you, Jennifer. You see? May God have mercy, oh. May God have mercy. Now, you see all those women, my sister, you know what? We be women. If you see say you don't feel taken for man hand, you go come out. Even waiting that they do serve, go come make you hate them. If you want to leave them, you not go look back. Now waiting those people they hold, the blackmail when they blackmail them. Now it make those women, they don't feel waka. And they advise them that time they say no, now enter house. Now so they come and say, Mama, come out. Mama, come out. Come they talk to us. We see they take your advice. I'll say, I don't enter house. They don't call me, Mama, come out. If you see my messenger, Mama, Mama, you don't leave us like that. You don't leave your fans like that now. You get when I say, you just leave your fans like that. He write on for my picture when I put for Facebook. He say, how you just leave your fans like that? Come on. The person is right. You people should let these girls, these women be. Let single mother be. You people should leave single mother alone. Single mother is even better than you people when they say, una marry. Una go they mock single mother. They make the oh man, single mother life too sweet. Now person when don't know how to use them. Let you know see single mother like be. We will be single mother. We they use men till they play. We are not serious. We want man when get money. We they talk of men when get money. Una go they carry man when he no fit afford money. Mona go TikTok. Mona go TikTok. See Lekki. See Banana Island. See different places. See men when they debut house they give their wife. Una know they see all those one. E kabare luwaini. Una they see. Mokuna they see. You know what? The person they grow up. This is 21st century. Women wake up. Wake up. If you are a single mother, don't die in silence. If blackmail, when they blackmail, now when people say, now no feel voice out. Stop it and break it. What you want happen may happen. This blackmail is too much. Now it make they suffer. Look at what this person do to this sister. As I don't find it, so one man just carry block on. You just load. That's about because I too love myself. I don't feel look myself for mirror. I can't I don't go feel look myself. You people should break it. Single mother in Europe. I don't even know why you people are suffering. These men don't take care of you. Government take care of you. Una bodies. Government carry una bodies. Una they suffer. I will say I will feel go where I will feel shout. Make the country know say these black men they are useless and barbaric. How can they, for Europe again single mother go they I don't know how God take create me. My heart is broken. Look, when I see this thing, I say, I'll go give my sister. I say, sister, my sister, look. He say, oh, he say, wait till be this one. This eye, she go feel use and see again. This is too much. How can you be in Europe? Now, man, when they take care of man, now a woman they worship. These people doesn't take care of you. They can't even buy you people lipstick. There, they go near there. Why are you people buying down for a man, a useless man that cannot even provide money for una? Hey, go see Nigeria, see single mothers when in Nigeria. Single mothers when in Nigeria, may they beg the, I give her, you know what see? You go say, I give the woman 2 million naira. I give the woman 5 million naira. Single mother for Nigeria. Oh, very go ye. Vaneri vevolebo, vada mu, vada mu boto. How can a single mother in Europe they suffer? Government they give una money, make una take chop, take care of una self. Yes, you can't do this to animal, my personal person, Jennifer. You can't. What is this? What is this? This is ridiculous. This is so painful. This is heartbroken. What is this? Una will get 5 children, go get 4 children, no matter how. No matter how. Say God may not give una money for Jamie. Jamie they pay woto. they can give you one. No, doctor say 1,600 euro, 1,300 euro. Una life be no day inside the money. Why can't you people live, take good breath, free yourself, free? If you free, can sweet. If I they talk and they say shut up because it's not the husband. This one a husband, all those one are lunatic. Lovely I can't dream to see that. Now one Europe man way he no get job. Now me I want to the date. You know or some I can't I no fit. If you don't get money, no con. What I want you to I know even they into blackmail race. They are so fucked up. They tire person. If you don't tire for black man, when your papa and your mama carry you come Europe, now black is say may you go you come your ear. Can you see so go more than that they receive money woto? They don't get land. They don't have land. The baby papa when they put for house when he no good, when he no care, that one now go they build house. A man go come. You don't born before you say no. And the single mother when I get, he get 4 children. Why they come? Not because of mission. Now what he want to do for that house? Now he make they come. He want to finish that woman. I did go to wire baori or more. Una use until they take care of one useless men when they full Europe. May I tell you now, all the old young men when they Europe, all of them they are all baby father. No one will not be baby father. Now few out of 50, now only 5 single. The rest, any man will call you, honey, hello, I don't like you. How you day? He get maybe 3 baby mama don't born for her. 3 baby mama. Any man that call you when they Europe now, any man when he calls you for Europe, say he wants to they spin you for girl. You go get baby mama for Belgium. You go get for Italy. You go get for France. You go get for Germany. Of when Jeremy. You see? Look at as beautiful as this girl. If I dey advise una they say see that stupid woman, see that yeah woman, and they disgust. If I they teach you, waiting at the process, now they teach you. I can never deceive you. Lovely is not a deceiver. When you are living with a man, the same man that you are living with, you are the one carry that man bodies. You are gone. The time when you go take and arrange yourself, you don't finish with that. Look at this beautiful girl. This girl now, your mates now, they make up, they look good. See what this man just blow, they scatter your face. Because of their small terrain, when you don't reach anything, the man wanna put for us. You go see them. Go to Germany, go see them. Not be there they pay house rent, so they are not the one paying the house rent. Now those single mother house when government give them, make them for take care of their children. Now the men they carry luggage, can't stay. At the end of the day, they bully the woman. Man go day inside my house, they bully me. I be boo myself. If I bully you yourself, if you fool yourself, I go they laugh. I be conny person. If I want to deal with you, how they come direct, how they gather you for hand. Look at this guy now. Some man I day, everybody is happy. For some man now, who they buy wig, they buy wig. Who they buy makeup, they buy makeup. Who they buy perfume, they buy perfume. Who they buy things for their children. Now they buy things for their children. When they want to carry their children, come on for this thing. See, now this thing, my son is 16 years old. Now, it's somehow this thing. Now that use this one to carry come out now. Summer. They ever to it as summer. I tell her, say, son, he say, mom, I say, what do you need now? Tell me. I buy, if they like Nike. Now, Nike product, now they like, right from time. If you go buy any clothes for your own, now you go wear them. I they advise you now when you get children. I'm not stupid. You people should look me very well. This woman that he said, una think I be small picky. Just say, now God give me body. We be say, today, tomorrow if I come out, I go young. You people don't want to listen. Not be there is some people where be they say that's a good mother. I want to listen to who be married man or married woman. We go come and come tell you say if they happy for your husband, I see no day. They are all suffering. I see God mother they suffering with their boyfriend. And so these people, Papa, please, okay. Can you give me water? See chichi when they do. Chichi. They married. This one are married. Do you call this married? A real man that love you, that want to spend his life with you. He not gonna do you this one for summer. Other Luwinya is summer. He not gonna do you this for summer. Summer now can look at this eye. Maybe this eye now it will take some few weeks to open, and inside now go come black. This is bad. This is somebody's child. See, God, mother, you both should wake up. Wake up. Now they let people they molest you now. These people they blackmail you now just because they are jealous. There is no woman on this head or human being on this head can blackmail me. Say, she be single mother. I'm more far better than you. I train my children good. A single mother when they train picking my first daughter, October, he go complete 22 years. I could deceive you. My second daughter, this inside June now, and Julia August, it go complete 19 years. Will I deceive you? My son go complete 17 years in February, December, February. Am I going to deceive you? I know they deceive. Even people, my old friend will tell you, say, lovely can never deceive anybody. So women even they husband house, they go say, now single mother better pass them. No be single mother, they don't get time for men. So single mother go talk say, since 2 months, 2 years, they never sleep with man. So single mother go say, a year, they never sleep with man. That day. May God bless you too, my personal person. You people should wake up. This is Europe. How can the government be taking care of your children and men they're out there molesting you people, disgracing you people, condemning you people? A man can never condemn me because I know myself. You people should stop saying, wait till this person want talk. Or type B, or type barrier. Look at me. As I did so, when someone come, if someone come, if I dey outside, you will see my body. I don't like tene. Look out. See, this guy is in his suit. Before this guy gets to this stage, if not true, before this guy gets to this stage, I sure say that man, they blackmail this guy. This guy break that secret. Let the cat out of the bag. This is not fair. Day before yesterday, wait, on Saturday, yeah, my daughter not go work on Saturday. Like they help me order. Now I order something for my boy. I know they use and play. Oh, let's say they know they show children for Facebook. If I show my children, when I go talk say now this woman I get these children. My boy, I know they use and play. Oh. The man will come out, come tell me I can't cook for her. When my boy, I never buy clothes for her, shoes. Buy this thing for her, Nike shoes, Nike they wear. No, they wear on that one. I sit down, tell my daughter, so yeah, buy this thing for her. Almost 200 and something euro. Now I buy some for her. Say, what do you need now? Maybe inside some man now, inside some man, go. I go still buy for her. That is my son. Instead of me to use money to cook for man, use and take cook for cassava, I go use and take buy something for my son. You people should be proud of your children. There is no man that you will be proud of your children. Don't proud of your husband. Man can leave you and go. Proud of your husband. Man can betray you. Proud of your husband when he good. The one when he not good. Why just no? Look. Kiss you, my personal person, first lady. My sister, how you dey? Congratulations. Not be you born that time. Congratulations. How is your daughter? Look. See. Every woman now they ready. Every woman now they buy clothes online. Waiting they short. Everything when they want to go to do summer. Look at what somebody do to somebody's child. I don't know why you people are suffering. Why are you suffering? How they see me? If I want just joke, I know they ready, I know they make up, but if I want go out, I will clean myself. Even some people don't they see and say, this woman, she know the dress on Facebook, but she won't go out. I will clean myself. Hi, love, how you doing? I will clean myself. Come out. When you go see me for outside there, you go say, wow, I get, oh, I don't know why. What did this make the happen that they do to carry children? You okay, san yo genya where roko we here or why you receive here or why Asian people use and make parable say if foul they your load, you know they heavy. If you still remove the foul, you know they heavy. Children, if I should see my children today when they were little, I struggle to they carry the up and down. I feel tell you now, he get one rapper. Even when my son reach 10 years, you see they hold the rapper. You see they hold the rapper. My son is used to that rapper. Sometimes if I reach his room, I say he carry the rapper put on top of his bed. I will say you are bigger than this because you used to the rapper. Now the rapper take the carry him. Yes. I can't deceive you people. I not tell you, I say, man, I no marry. If you see a nice man that is responsible, you can get married to that man. They use pill. Watch that man reach 5 years. If this man is capable to be your husband, not be just see man this month. He fuck you this month, you get belly this month, you leave the pikin. That is why these people abuse you. I am a comfortable single mother that stay with 3 children. I don't born my children for different man. And one man I born for people know. Why I not the rush road? I have a big house. If I say make her the bonbon, if I say make her the chop government money, I go feel bon, reach several times. If I say me I see the bone, I go feel still the bone. I'm not deceiving you guys. With this man is man now torment. This man they torment tonight. They torment to now medulla. They play with to now head. Okay, your children now come. Your children is dead there when this man blow you. As I did so, I go carry man come. Where my children, they man want come to say he want slap me. Guy, you they mad? I know they try. I know they carry black man come my house. I don't need that. Iguano. If una don't born for 1 black, born for 2 black, una say no go. I beg my sister. I don't fit on and say mona no fuck. Mona fan oyibo. Look for white man that will take care of you. Now people when they beg me, mama, you come now. You don't throw away us like that. We won't be your fans. You don't throw away us like that. Now you make me come to say, oh, I just get people when I they talk to. Yes, I can't deceive you people. There is no way I can deceive you. Okay, if this woman should have a child of 10 years inside her house now, baby girl, how can that little girl feel? How can that little girl feel if she has a child of 13 years, 10 years, no just to say 13 years, 10 years, no not just to say 14, 15. How can this girl feel, how the daughter go feel the way when the man take blow her? Why una there Nigeria? Una no free, una see come Europe. Man, break the silence. It's good to break the silence. If you they suffer, you they suffer for one man, huh? Say the man there your house, they torment you. You yourself don't like this man again. You are just managing this man. This man they blackmail you. Now it make you no one break. You they fear. Break that silence. Be free. It will be very good for you. Because those men, they're not being a husband. They're not being a husband. Now, because they don't see how they want to live life, their life is not okay for them. They don't feel arrange their life. Now they pretend come sit down for a house, they give una belly, una they born. Person when he marry self, he marry see they scatter. Talk less una when no marry, una when they bon. What is this? Look, I don't sorry. Always what a hurry anya. Who is this animal? Where you dey? We don't say this thing really don't happen to many of us years back, but not by this time again. Una dey Germany or any country una dey even Italy now don't they pay children? Yes, all the Europe now don't they pay children? Government, the worst part of it when they piss me up, the government now they take care of una. Then why are you people suffering in the hands of this black Nigerian men? Nigerian men, yeah. Why are you people suffering? They are not the one taking care of you. They are not the one paying your bills. They are not the one closing you. They are not the one doing food shopping for you. They are not the one doing anything. They are not giving money. They don't have income. Then why are you people? Why una they suffer? Government they take care of una. Why una they suffer for all those men hand? We be say they get babies full everywhere. How can a normal, reasonable woman carry man? We be say 3 baby mama don't born for her. 4 baby mama don't born for her. That man is of no use. That man is kaput. The man don't spoil. The man when don't born for you, that man has no respect again. Even community not they respect him. Community say that man when they bon pardon. Community not they respect him. Even people when they around and not go respect him. Why are you people suffering? Those people, they are not the people taking care of you. They cannot buy something, say gift, say now so that they do this thing, they buy gift, can't give you now. You know most of them, they are suffering. Most of them, they are suffering. The way this guy is suffering, they are suffering. If they see this girl now, they'll say, hey, may my own no go blow my eye like this, oh. May my own no go blow my eye like this, oh. Aya, I can't find me. Hello, now it be this one now. A very beautiful girl like this. If he can't kill this ball now, this eyeball, if he can't kill this eyeball now, they'll so blind that they'll say, nah, baby papa. He said the man wait born picking for, see what he do for his eye. What is this? But here now? We don't first see this thing before, but not be now again. We see those things 5 years, 15 years ago, 20 years ago. Many women experience this thing, but not be by this time. When everybody is free. Everybody is free. When it's not working, go away. It's not by force. Go away and rest your brain. Just go away. Now, no understand though. This single mother. Now, government, now they support you now. You people, you are still suffering with all those men when they don't want to do anything. But what's here now? What it be all those one? Huh? Walk body lower. God made this eye, may not break. This woman too fine to they carry one eye like this. What is this? She's too beautiful. This woman now when come, suffering come. If I dey talk, go listen. No, they'll say, that one when no get husband, I pray. I pray. Una when get husband, they suffer. Go Nigeria house, Nigeria women say that they suffer for husband house. Come Europe, oh, the women see they suffer for husband house. You know, Kukuma get boyfriend, now be that. Go and do this thing. Go put something for inside your body. So that if the sperm they come, make the fitter help you hold on. Or you go plaster this thing for your hand. Yeah. Or you they take pill every month. You know me say any man when you free, you must born for the man. That is the problem you people have. Any man that comes to your way, you belle, you born. Must too born for any man, they born for animal, they born for useless men. You know what? It not be to born that they talk. To not the man when you go born for, there is some men when you go born for, you go regret your life. Say, why I born for this man? Do you know that it there? Afternoon. See, now so my personal person, is it pa? Now so, these women, they are suffering. These men, they blackmail them for inside house. Yes, I mean, they know they talk. You know, see that one where everybody carry come Facebook on the shout that woman, I even say government collect the children. As that woman keep silent reach, the bag when no one may open, make otoge no to the bag still open. Then upon the years where this woman stay in silence, wait till the secret when they still keep, it not still open. Then will just kukuma open the secret. I can never keep secret with anybody in my life. Now you go see some people say, "Hey, lovely, the day when your nyash go open, my nyash not they open. Me I be wa person. Me wa. And I saw that they tell my sister. Take care of your children. Now your children might be your priority. Man can go, but your children cannot go. Man can go. You know what here? There is a man, if they do you something, you go say, so I was living with my enemy. Did you not say that they see man when, he go be your husband, go they jealous of you? You know? He not go move forward, he not go let you move forward. Anything that will make you to move forward, he go they draw you go back. Wait till your mate they participate, put, you know go let you go. You will say you want to go drive in school, you know go. You get paper, you not get paper. If you want to go drive in school, he not go let you go drive in school. Anything when you won't do because you get paper, he not say he go favor you, he no get. He go they jealous of you. He day. And they always tell us say money when as people they give you now. Single mother. If una no fit finish it, una no fit finish it. And they advise una. Mona gather together. Why ya doctor? Why we ye vani here? Now ya me 5 years. Why you wait for? Mona money when as they give una. Me una suffer. The one wanna take chop remain. My people. Mona suffer. Mona gather. Una go buy land. Una suffer. They do something. Put small. They say Rome was not built a day. Before you know, that house una don't do a rich ground. Money one I wanted they fit black man. You go toilet, go shit and throw away. At the end of the day, you go see come beat you now. Mona they use the money. Take they do something for our life. Like me now, man no they flick me. Any man will come my way say you go flick me. Get money. If you not get money, no come. What did they use poverty do? Poverty now my senior sister. Is poverty you people senior sister? Broken ass man. That is no way you can do man. Look at this person. You are welcome, my love. Look at your Edoche. Do you see what did they do? Me play. Me picky the boy, fine boy. The guy die like that. The man now they open it with Judiosity for his car. That mean we person they talk yesterday. I tell person say, if you never experience something, person when don't experience something, if they talk to una, make una try, make una dey listen. Now tell the person say, make for comot the time when that something they do go. Make for sis for Facebook, make for not let them use and take do advert, make for not follow Facebook this thing. Nothing for just carry children. Woman wey carry his children, now he be the most intelligent and smart woman. Because now wetin carry you reach husband house be that. Now children, I carry you reach husband house. If you see say the husband house, if they hurt you, if that husband house they hurt you, you go see they hurt your children too. I swear. If firewood they hot, the pot when you put on top go hot. The water wey is there inside that pot go hot. Now husband house be. If you not be married on the married, never experience husband house. If you experience husband house go tire you. You go hate husband house. Even he said that they beg you come back, come stay. You go remember wetin if I do you. You not go even want go again. Look, people they say, they may doche ilo, online ilo. That they say they may see who pikin die. Now me pikin die. You see. Yo can if you carry yo now, carry 6 women, put for one house with yo, tell yo say they fuck am. Before month end, 4 go say they don't see their period. 4 go say they don't see their period. Yes. 4 go say they don't see their period. Now maybe only 1 go see period for inside. The remaining 4 don't get belly. Man can produce at any time. Man can fuck with mad people and produce. Good afternoon. Where man they fuck crazy person, who they give crazy person belly, na me a be now, not be man. Man penis not be something way that they drag. Now something way you go home. When you see say the prick don't they misbehave, you go throw we are. Stay calm, lawyer. See now. All of them they say, see your doche, piki die. You know don't say piki die, man. Now woman, now he gets if you they say who can get pain pass. Now woman, now they get pain pass. There is no how you people will talk about May Edoche. Una go talk and say you go leave Jude Justin. Jude Justin don't already born for that. The day when Jude Justin, when the something God go come separate her. Now that day, now all those things when they play now, you now, in memory, in listening ear, in thickness, you know they with again now. All of them don't wipe out. The day when be say it with Jude Justin not there now. That man can say Jude Justin come on for a life. If he can't sit down, everywhere go make boro. He go talk say, now life I did so. He go say, am I living life? That time go they look everywhere. Where family, where family. You go come they find family. Family don't already go. A good woman, an intelligent woman. If man begin to they beat una, they abuse una, the first thing one go do now na children. Away they say, look up banerale on momo, not a baby keke. He say if war come, if fight come, what the mother they do? You go carry pikin, you go back to the pikin at the same time for one back. More na they see this one now. This one now, when this girl now, this man he break his fucking eye like this now. Because this eye now don't they fucking. When they break this girl eye like this now, if police now reach that house now, seize this pikin for this girl hand now call. They go tell the police go tell this girl say you are living with babu. Now only babu fit destroy person like this. This man that caused this pain to this woman, the man is babu. Even lion self go get pity. Babu go they say, now don't see babu. If lion they come, go suffer this. Go suffer the mion they come. But if babu they come, go they shout ooh, ooh, ooh. Now only babu they behave like this. When you blow this woman eye. Blower. What of tomorrow now? Government tell this woman say this child cannot stay under you with this the man that blow off your eye like this. Because the government not say the man do not go agree leave the man because government get sense where we they talk now. Not be say you will leave the man. We not tell you say may you leave now. But the one way they suffer for dear now then we they talk to when be say they have already made up their mind to leave, but they don't they find support. Who go support them? When we say, if that time come, they'll say, now lovely, say, make I leave that time. Or if it better, you go say, lovely, thank you. I take your advice work for me. The one way be say, is still they waka, they go, you no can work for. Now that time you go come and say, now lovely, tell me, say, make I come up for my boyfriend house. If you want to move, just make up your mind because of your children. Your children is first. Okay, the boy don't fight break the woman neck. No, be like, you can't wait go do this girl rich. He go come out. You don't fight break his neck. Jesus Christ. First he say Jesus Christ. No. My sister, if this boy they beat you like this every day, you hate him. He get where he go beat this girl go come hate him. He go come get hate for her. You know, when you do something too much, later he go come grow hatred. Go come grow hatred. How can now babu? Okay, if they beat and they go, they come. They beat and they go, they come. Now something go stop, and I know what it go stop, and now government, when they go collect this woman children, say. Since you don't want to save your life, so since you don't want to be saved, please, we want to save our children. They go collect the children for our hand. That time, our eye go come clean. Because this is not good. This is not good. Even go Nigeria now, women when they marry for Nigeria, tell their husband say, no, I don't need that nonsense. You know they brief, you know they bring anything, not can control me. Talk like say, una way be say government, iyon everything give una. Government don't set una. Government plug una. Instead of una to lawyer, una they carry street men. Those men they are street men. They know any man wey no get address now street man. If he blow you finish, you go run enter street. They are street men. How can a reasonable woman that have children carry street man enter house? Man, when you no get paper, you no get house, you no fit pay house rent, you no fit pay light bill with your children in the same house. I no fit. Oh, I no fit run now. Come put my children join man for the same house. If I can't wake up, I wake up see the man. My children can't wake up see the man. Later you go come they say you dey crazy, you dey man. You want me I beat you, present of my children. Seriously? They waiting I come they teach my children be that. My sister, if this man they beat you all the time, please. If you not say you want start to they beat you, carry your pikin come for house. This is very bad. This is bad. The man come out for kirikiri. Olegan. He come out for kirikiri. Ona muyowa. Ona te obrigago. Yeah, because now mad people now they do like this. Now mad people. We felt see all those things before. When police go come arrest the fucking man, police will tell us if you try this again, you are going to prison. Police never give a warning because this one now, police go say, we don't want to see you in this area again. Because anything that happen again, come see this man for that, say, now you, the man still gonna blind your eye. They go seize your pikin because they will say, they want put the pikin for saving place. Make una don't go blow the pikin one day. This woman, my word, they surely come to pass. I know that they talk because I want to talk. If you don't be careful, government go take your pikin for your hand. Because you cannot be living with a babu in Europe with your children in the same house, or you don't like her. Even if that man, in that area safe, they will see the man. The time when ambulance they carry you, before you even see the man, so they'll say, is that boy that blow off that girl eyes the other time? They go, they hide. You are living with them. If na lion, I do you this one, I go, they say, oh, good kill lion. Oh, good kill that lion where attack you like this. Now, human being, I attack you like this. I don't know why. The worst part of it, I don't know why government, they take off una. Una still they under this smelly ass man. When they know they feel buy deodorant, perfume, spray for body. It's on pass you, they go, they smell a goosey soup. They go, they smell egusi soup. Their ears go, they smell egusi soup. Why can't you people look for a clean? And these people go see a gentleman. They don't go carry. You know what? Bolion big bo, ba, bo, ba, ba, bo. Here I want your phone. I want you carry wire, wa high, high, and a house, mora. Una no even know how prick they sweet. Una don't know how prick they stay sweet. Una say prick they sweet. You see all those women, they never release. They don't even know what team say woman release. Oh, they'll say woman release. These people don't know say they release. You said next bit. You said our artist she go remove. My people. Not be Facebook that time one fair remove one teeth. Yeah. If I remove teeth, one fair remove one teeth that time, I don't remember. Get this on the eye. This man now they try sha. Man, how they follow them laugh. Me, even some people go see me for Amsterdam. They know say they do live video. They can confirm it. I know they lie. Me I dress in Ladian for me makeup. Me as Amsterdam. I will me muyo to. I know they look you, say, may you look me. That is how to know a woman, a decent woman. How they put it? How you dey? Oh, I know they look their eye. If I they go, and once I don't reach, I don't fair talk, and once I don't reach where they gather, I don't change my style. I'll come carry myself, I go be go. You know, the way when you take pass, they will come, they look you. That is how it's supposed to be. That is how women supposed to be. When you have lived under darkness with a barbaric man, it get to the stage where people say light go come out. If you want push the man out, you have already make up your mind. This woman never make up her mind. When she make up her mind, she will know how to do that fucking thing. Push the ass out. You cannot be like this. Next time now, If you not break your teeth, next time, if you carry you up, also water. A very beautiful woman like this, when you go sit down, clean your house. I don't understand. Clean your house, cook. Your children is okay. If you now make up, now you want makeup, sit down, carry your makeup, come out. If now cartoon, you go there. We will be mothers. We don't use to cartoon. Me and they watch cartoon where. Even my children say, Mommy, you have used to cartoon. I say, yes. Even when I never married self, when I never born, I love cartoon. My friends, you get some of my friends, they know, they'll say, Lovely can watch cartoon. You suffer on your television, put cartoon. Everybody don't go school. You suffer, they do your makeup. Call your friend. They see good friend. Make una dey gist. Make una go dey gist. So that you go get freedom. Freedom is allowed. That is why freedom is free. Have a free life. We are in Europe. If you cannot enjoy like this, how are you going to do it? Look at this girl now. Very young and beautiful. Before you go, no, now this girl now, she go come the wrinkle. This girl now have broken heart. This girl, they have broken heart every day by day. How are we going to do this? We will still come the advice you now. Because they say, Mama, come on, you throw away us, it's not good. I see reason, I want to say, hey, it's not good like that now. We won't be your fans. Even if you say now 2 people, they watch you, 3 people, they watch you, we still they take for your advice. And the good man, when he dead there, when he say, una love una wife, una care for una wife, I use Almighty God to bless una. Please, take your wife as your own. If you not say, you not fit take your wife as your own, please, free am. Free am. And those women, when say, the man don't they do nyaka. There is no need of staying with them because why? Not be that they pay una be. Not be that they feed una. Not be that they close una. Una don't already they under government. Government already they take care of una. Let the man go so that you have freedom. If you let her go, you relax. No rush it to boyfriend. If you want to get boyfriend, they get. If the boy can't greet you today, if not 2 days, the boy say he wants spend, you must have boyfriend. If not today, 2 days, the boy say he wants spend. Let that 2 days be 2 days. Not 2 days because the prick they sweet you. Person will can't greet you for 2 days. If the man true get better, strong penis, better, not that they see better cassava. The cassava okay jack boy, okay strong. The papa's cap go make bosso. Or aki munagwewo bava. No get the munagwewo. Now never fuck. Now they say now they get boyfriend. Man don't